Alright, hey guys, what is up? It is Timeless Kicks back with another video. And for today's video, we are going to be talking about the Air Max 1 blueprints. So these Air Maxes released on Air Max Day, which is March 26th of 2022, for a retail price of $160. So believe it or not, this was my first camp out for a sneaker. The morning of, actually, I was just scrolling through TikTok and I saw a local sneaker boutique saying that they were getting these in and that they opened up at 11 o'clock a.m. So I drove down at 9, popped in line at 9:30. I was about the 6th person in line, and I was able to snag a pair of these blueprints in my size. The camp out was a lot of fun. I didn't camp out for a very long time, but still the people there were super nice and it was just a lot of fun talking sneakers and stuff like that. And again, this is a sneaker that I'll probably remember for a long time just because I did camp out for them. People are saying that there was about 15,000 of these in stock. I didn't end up joining the draw for these on the sneakers app just because I was gonna physically have them in hand that Saturday on Air Max Day. Yeah, so for Air Max Day this year, there were 3 colorways that came out. There were these blueprints for North America and the United States, and there was the Wabi Sabis for Asia, and then there was the La Lumineers for Europe. In my opinion, I really liked the Wabi Sabis. I think that was my favorite colorway, but these blueprints nonetheless were pretty fire as well. Let's just take a look at them and unbox the Nike Air Max 1 blueprints. So here we go, we just got a regular Air Max box, nothing crazy. We also see that the Dunks come in this box as well, in this packaging. So here we have it, the Nike Air Max 1 blueprints. In my opinion, I think that this is a fire Air Max. I really dig the color blocking. I've said this so many times before, but light blue is my absolute favorite color, so I just think everything about this sneaker is fire. So the concept of the blueprint itself, like kind of why North America and the United States got a blueprint, was to pay homage to just the Air Max and how transcendent it was. Air Max has been around for about 35 years now, and because of how just great the sneaker silhouette is and the comfort of it, it has transcended not only to the US but worldwide. So that is kind of why Tinker Hatfield was the creator of Nike Air Max, and he's been around as long as the Air Max has, which has been 35 years. So just the concept alone of the blueprint is really sick. I like it a lot. So let's just take a look at the materials of the sneaker and what we get going on here. So we'll start in the toe box and make our way to the back. So the toe box, we have a beautiful nubuck suede right here with the classic Nike Air Max small Nike check right there. We have a nice white mesh right here. Now on the toe box as well, we have a little bit of a light blue leather. For the mid panel, again, you have that leather as well as a nice blueprint darker blue check. Continuing to the heel, we have more of that nubuck suede, and we have the Nike Air with a globe on the back as well. Flipping around to the front, we have the beautiful light blue laces, and on the tongue we have more of that blueprint detailing, and it says Nike Air Max, and actually on the laces it says 326, which is a cool little Easter egg we got right there. On the midsole, it is more of a cream color, which I really like. We definitely see the cream color coming in a lot this year. I think we definitely are going to be seeing more cream colors in later sneaker releases. And on the bottom, we have a translucent icy blue sole. Now I haven't tried it yet, but these actually glow in the dark. The sole glows in the dark as well as the air bubble as well. So just from the looks of it, from just reviewing it, having the sneaker in hand, this is actually a really solid sneaker. Quality on these is actually pretty good. I'm definitely very happy with this pickup. Again, I think this will be a great summer sneaker. I'm not looking to resell these, so aftermarket prices don't really concern me that much. But yeah, and actually I'm not going to take them out now, but I'll show you guys a picture of the insole. It shows how the Air Max 1 was designed in Oregon in 1987, and it has kind of like that blueprint construction of the Air Max and how it has gone worldwide. Let's just get some on-foot footage for you guys. So that is just my quick unboxing and short little review of the Nike Air Max 1 blueprints. Definitely let me know down in the comments below what you think of this sneaker and if you were able to cop or not. Yeah, this is one that I think I'm gonna remember for a pretty long time. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys soon.